Hello everyone. In this part 5th of 3-dimensional geometry, I'll give the solution of some important questions related to 3-dimensional geometry. So let's start with the solutions of first of all question number 1. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the planes and the point 1 1. So first of all equations of planes are what are the equations? Vector r dot I plus j plus k cap is equals to 6 and vector r dot 2i plus 3j plus 4k is equals to minus 5. First of all, we will convert these two equations into Cartesian form. Now, in Cartesian form, equation of planes are, you know very well how will we do the conversion into Cartesian form. X plus y plus z minus 6 is equals to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 5 is equals to 0. Now we have to find out the equation of plane passing through the intersection of the planes. Now according to the question, equation of required plane is given by according to the rule, we will write x plus y plus z minus 6 plus lambda 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 5 is equals to 0. Now first of all we will combine the like terms. It means what this become 1 plus 2 lambda into x plus 1 plus 3 lambda into y plus 1 plus 4 lambda into z plus minus 6 plus 5 lambda is equals to 0. So this is the equation number 1. Now you will say because this plane passes through the point 1 1 1, it means 1 1 1 lies on equation 1. So substitute value here. So this become 1 plus 2 lambda plus 1 plus 3 lambda plus 1 plus 4 lambda plus minus 6 plus 5 lambda is equals to 0. It means what this become 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, 3 minus 6 minus 3, 2 lambda plus 3 lambda 5 lambda plus 4 lambda 9 lambda plus 5 lambda 14 lambda. So this is 14 lambda is equals to 0. It implies that lambda is equals to 3 upon 14. Therefore from equation 1 equation required equation of plane is given by 1 plus this is 6 upon 14 x plus 1 plus 9 upon 14 y plus 1 plus 12 upon 14 z plus minus 6 plus 15 upon 14 is equals to 0. Now when we will do the solution, this become 20x upon 14, this become 23 upon 14y, this become 26 upon 14z, and this become plus this is 14 6 84, so this is minus 84 plus 15 upon 14 is equals to 0. Take the LCM. It means this become 20x plus 23y plus 26z minus 14 minus 5 9. It means this become 7 minus 1 6 minus 69 is equals to 0. So this is the equation of required plane, 20x plus 23y plus 26z minus 69 is equals to 0. So this is the way to solve the question whenever we have the question related to intersection of planes. Now question number 2, we have to find out the coordinates of the point where the line through the points crosses the plane by the points. This crosses the plane determined by the points. It means we have a line which passes through the points this 3 minus 4 minus 5 and 2 minus 3 1, and we have to find the coordinates of the point where this line crosses the plane determined by the points. It means in this question what we are observing, we have a plane which passes through the determined by the points 1 2 3, and this is 4 2 minus 3, this is the roughly structure, and this is 0 4 3. So let us suppose this is PQR. It means these 3 points are collinear. Therefore equation of plane, according to the rule we know very well, if we have 3 non-collinear points, then the equation of plane given by x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, then x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and then x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equals to 0. Now according to this, if we will consider this is x1 y1 z1, x2 y2 z2, x3 y3 z3, then the equation of plane will come x minus 1 y minus 2 z minus 3, then this is 4 minus 1 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 3, and this is 0 minus 1 4 minus 2, and this is 3 minus 3, and this is equals to 0. It means what will come? This will come x minus 1 y minus 2 z minus 3 3 0 minus 6 minus 1 2 0, and this is equals to 0. Now by the property of determinant, this is x minus 1 into 0 minus 0 0 minus 0 plus 12, and then minus y minus 2, and what this become minus y minus 2 means this is 0 plus minus 6, and then this is plus z minus 3, this becomes 6 minus 0 is equals to 0. It means this become 12x minus 12, and this is minus minus plus, it means 6y minus 12 plus 6z minus 18 is equals to 0. It means this is 12x plus 6y plus 6z, and this is minus 12 minus 24, this become minus 42 is equals to 0. It implies that this is 2x plus y plus z minus 7 is equals to 0. This is the equation number 1. Now equation of line, this is the line which passes through the point. What is this? This passes through the point 3 minus 4 minus 5, and what is another point? 2 3 2 minus 3 1. So this is 2 minus 3 1. So equation of line AB is given by equation of line AB is equals to, what is this? The rule is x minus x1, it means x minus 3 is equals to y plus 4 is equals to z plus 5 upon x2 minus x1, it means 2 minus 3, and then this is minus 3 plus 4, and what is this? This is 1 plus 5 is equals to lambda. Therefore any point B on plane, B on the plane is given by, on plane is given by, look at this thing, how will we give this point B? We will give this point by minus lambda plus 3 comma, this is, what is this, plus lambda minus 4, and this is 6 lambda minus 5. Now you will say because B lies on equation 1, therefore if B lies on equation 1, therefore we can say this is 2 into minus 3 plus lambda, then plus lambda minus 4, then plus, what is this, plus 6 lambda minus 5 minus 7 is equals to 0. Now we will solve this thing and find the value of lambda. Once we will obtain the value of lambda, then we will put the value of lambda for this point B, and this will be the coordinates of the point where the line through the points crosses the plane determined by these points. Now this become minus 2 lambda plus 6, and this is plus lambda minus 4, and then this is plus 6 lambda minus 5 minus 7 is equals to 0. Now minus 2 lambda plus 3 lambda, this means lambda plus 6 lambda 7 lambda, minus 2 lambda means 5 lambda, 6 minus 4 2, and this is 2, and this is minus 12. It means this become minus 10 is equals to 0. It means lambda is equals to 2. Therefore required coordinates of points required coordinates of point P B is equals to, what is this thing? Substitute the value of lambda. Value of lambda is 2. It means what this become 1 minus 2, and what is this 12 minus 5, and this is 7, and this is the answer for this part. So in this way we will have to do the solution of this question. Now let's start to do the solution of question number 3. Before starting to do the solution of question number 3, only one addition we have to do. Look at this thing. In question number 1, when we were doing the solution, we obtained this equation, but according to the question they are saying find the vector equation. So we know very well vector equation is given by vector r dot 20i plus 23j plus 26k is equals to 69, and this will be the accurate answer because they were asking for in the vector equation, vector form, and but the above form is the Cartesian form. So only this much addition you have to do, then you will give the answer of question number 1. Now in question number 3 they are saying find the equation of the plane that contains the point this thing and perpendicular to each of these planes. So first of all, as we know that according to the question, plane contains the points 1, minus 1 and 2. So we will say that let equation of plane is given by a into x minus 1 plus b into y plus 1 plus c into z minus 2 is equals to 0. This is the condition according to the rule, because we know that if plane is passing through the point this thing and perpendicular to given vector, then rule is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1. So to find out the equation of this plane, anyhow we will find out the value of ABC by the given condition. Now you will say because equation 1 is perpendicular to the plane, which plane? This is 2x plus 3y minus 2z is equals to 5. So according to the rule, we know very well for perpendicular planes a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equals to 0. It means this become 2a plus 3b minus 2c is equals to 0. This is the equation number 2. Again, equation 1 is perpendicular to the plane. What is the plane? The another plane is x plus 2y minus 3z is equals to 8. So according to this will come a plus 2b minus 3c is equals to 0. This is the equation number 3rd, and equation 2nd is here. So by solving these two equations, we will find out the value of a, b and c and put in equation 1. Now according to the cross multiplication method, we know very well we can write down a is equals to minus b is equals to c. Now for a, hide this constant, so this become minus 4, and this is minus 9, it means minus minus plus 9 upon, hide this coordinate, it means this is minus 2, and this is minus 6 means plus 6. This is c means 3, and this is minus 4. Let us suppose this is equals to lambda. It means a upon 5 is equals to b upon minus 4 is equals to c upon minus 1 is equals to lambda. It means a is equals to 5 lambda, b is equals to minus 4 lambda, and c is equals to lambda. Now from equation 1 we will get the answer what is this, 5 lambda into x minus 1 plus minus 4 lambda into y plus 1 plus lambda z minus 2 is equals to 0. Now lambda is common. It means this is 5x minus 5 minus 4y minus 4 plus z minus 2 is equals to 0. It implies that this becomes 5x minus 4y plus z, and this is minus 9 minus 2 minus 11 is equals to 0, and this is the answer for this part. Now we will do the solution of question number 4th. Now look at this thing. In this question, what we are observing, we have c is equals to minus lambda. So this is minus lambda. It means this become minus lambda. So this is minus z plus 2. So the equation will convert it into 5x minus 4y minus z, and minus 7 is equals to 0. This will be the equation of this plane. Now in question number 4, they are saying find the coordinates of the point where the line through the points crosses the xy plane. Now first of all we have to find out the coordinates of the point. Let us suppose this is the plane which we have in the form of xy plane. Now for this plane, this line is crosses the given plane, and line is passing through the points 3, 4, and this 1, and this is 5, 1, 6, 5, 1, 6. Now let us suppose this is the A point and this is the B point. Now first of all, equation of line is given by equation of line AB is given by x minus x1 is equals to y minus y1 is equals to z minus z1 upon x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 is equals to z2 minus z1. It means x minus 3 upon 2, and this y minus 4 upon minus 3 is equals to z minus 1 upon 5. This is equals to lambda. Now any point on line is given by look at this thing. How will we get the point? 2 lambda plus 3 minus 3 lambda plus 4, and this is 5 lambda minus 5 lambda plus 1. This is the point, any coordinate of any point on the line. Now because line crosses the xy plane, therefore we can say if crosses this xy plane, z coordinate must be equals to 0. It means 5 lambda plus 1 is equals to 0. It implies that lambda is equals to minus 1 upon 5. Therefore we have 2 lambda plus 3 is equals to, what is this, minus 2 upon 5 plus 3. It means what this become, 13 upon 5. And then another point is minus 3 lambda plus 4 is equals to, this become 3 5 ja 15 upon 5, because this is minus 3, this become 3 upon 5 plus 4. It means what this become, 5 4 ja 20. This is minus 3 minus plus already, so this become 20 plus 3 means 23 upon 5. And then another point is 5 lambda plus 1. It means what this become, this is 5 into minus 1 upon 5 plus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore required coordinates of, we have to find the coordinates. So coordinates of required point is what is the coordinate of required point? 13 upon 5, 23 upon 5, and then 0. And this is the answer for this part. Now let's start to do the solution of question number 5th. In question number 5th, what we are observing, we have to find the proof that if a plane has the intercept ABC is at a distance of P from the, what is this, P units from the origin, then prove that 1 upon p square is equals to 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square plus 1 upon c square. Now in fifth question, equation of plane according to the given equation, a given condition is given by x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c is equals to 1. Now according to the question, distance from the origin is given. What is this? This is given p. It means this p is equals to, look at this thing, we will calculate 0 upon a plus 0 upon b plus 0 upon c minus 1 upon, what is this, under root coefficients of this square, 1 upon a whole square plus 1 upon b whole square plus 1 upon c whole square is equals to 0. Sorry, this is the distance according to the question. It means p is equals to 1 upon under root 1 upon a whole square plus 1 upon b whole square plus 1 upon c whole square. Now after doing the cross multiplication, we will get under root 1 upon a whole square plus 1 upon b whole square plus 1 upon c whole square, and this is equals to 1 upon p. Now squaring both sides. Once you will do the squaring both sides, then we will get the answer. What is this? 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square plus 1 upon c square is equals to 1 upon p square. Therefore we can say 1 upon p square is equals to 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square plus 1 upon c square. This is the answer for this part. On the basis of this, you have to do the practice to solve other questions. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.